Hello friends, so today we are going to see how to generate free SSL from OpenSSL, and later part we will also see how we can apply it on a WAMP server or a Xampp server. Okay, so first of all, for this OpenSSL, you need to download it, the application.exe file for Windows. I will share you this link, okay, in a description. So from this website, just download this version of OpenSSL. Okay, I have already downloaded this version, so I will open that version. So just install it, run as an administrator. Okay, say yes, accept, next, 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 install. So our first step of installation of OpenSSL is done. Okay, just click on finish. Okay, so in the next step, what we are going to do, we are going to create one folder on a desktop. Okay, so we will go to desktop. We will create a new folder with the name of free SSL. Just open it. Okay, so in that folder, we need to create one file with .ext format. Okay, so we will create file, file, save as. Okay, we will select desktop, free SSL. We'll give file name .exe and select file type all. Save it. Then we will open what will be next. Okay, so this will be default just here. So whichever for whichever DNSA or whichever host name you are going to publish, means the certificate which you are going to issue, for that you need to give it over here. For like example Google, you will give it Google. For us, we are going to give it to our channel, to so we will issue to setup.org. So this will be our DNS name, or you can say virtual host name. Okay, so this file is generated. So next we will go to the OpenSSL path, where the application is installed. OpenSSL. Okay, then we will run this batch file. Okay, just double click it. Okay, so batch file is run. Okay, then what we need to do, we need to go to our desktop folder. We need to go it over here. We need to copy this file path. Okay, then we need to come over here, cd. Okay, and this file path is given. After that, this is done, then we need to run some command. Okay, this command I will also paste it in description. Okay, just you can copy and write it over there. Okay, here you need to mention the country code, and then again same, your virtual host or your DNS name. First we will run first command, copy this over here, run it. Okay, it runs successfully. Then the second, for the generating the our root certificate. Okay, this is done. Okay, then here we will give for our CSR file, we are giving country name, our state, then long name, then our DNS name and our CN name. Okay, so just copy this, paste it over here. This is also done. Now we are going to issue certificate for us. Okay, certificate is also issued. Now what we are going to do, for firewall or network team, they generally prefer uh, pfx file format. Okay, so we are also going to generate that file format as well. So just go here, paste it over here, and enter the password. Just always be note down this password, because whenever you are going to provide this file to them, they will ask password for it. Okay, so by this way our certification generation is done. So our first step of how to generate free SSL from OpenSSL certificate, it is done. Okay. So our next part, how we can apply it on a WAMP server. For that, we are already have done this video. I will show you over here. Cancel. Okay. So we have already done the video how you can set up your WAMP server with OpenSSL and everything. So now in this video, we are not going to cover all the things. We are just going to tell you how you can done this thing, and also what was the pain point for the previous one. So here, if we go, okay, open set SSL setup org. So this was the pain point. Like whenever you are hosting your application, that user will not always click on advanced, and he will not click on a procedure. This is unsafe. He will feel unsafe on our website because it is saying not secure. Okay. So to remove this one, what we are going to do, we need to install this root certificate to our local machine wherever we are going to host our application. So we will first install this root certificate. Next, yes, place certificate. Okay, next, finish. Okay, so this is imported successfully. So same thing we need to do for the second one. Install local machine. Next, yes. Now this time we need to select this personal. Okay, next, finish. Okay, so our certificate is installed successfully in our local machine. Okay, so now what we need to do, copy this three file, setup org root certificate and root key. Copy this, go to key folder. Okay, so this is one which we generated previously. Okay, so we will keep it as it is over here. Okay, then what we will do, we will go here and just change the certificate name. Now we are going to apply this new certificate. Okay, also the key name. Okay, so once you change it in uh, httpd dash ssl file, and then in http dash v host. Okay, once you change this one, just go to your WAMP server and restart it. Okay, we will check it is restarting. Okay, so it restarted successfully. Now if we go here and just re-enter, it will give same one because it is already stored in our cache file of browser. So for this thing, you need to go to setting, like cache, clear the data. Okay, just don't forget to select time range, select all time. Okay, so once data is clear, so we will go over here, we will enter our file. Okay, this is our link, it is over here, see. So successfully, so that error which it is showing previously, so it is gone. So we will go connection setting, we will check our certificate. Okay, so you can see setup org certificate is done. Expiry date is also it is set over here. If you go in details, the root certificate and all the details is mentioned, and also the key, public key, and this one hash 256 fingerprint is done. Okay, so our second part is also completed. Okay, thanks for guys. If you feel this video was helpful for you, then please like, comment and subscribe.